Hello everyone, welcome to Cricket Next. I'm Bansal Shah. I have with me Soumya Kapoor. Sunrisers Hyderabad are going to play Gujarat Titans. So they are playing after a seven-day break. The last time they played, they decimated LSG like anything. Chased down a target of more than 160 in less than 10 overs. And then they got a perfect vacation of 7 days after that kind of sweet victory. So Soumya, first of all, how does this kind of a break help in a tournament like IPL, a 7-day break?
Yeah. So I am not really fond of these bigger break, but yeah, the competition combination और जिस तरीके के मैच शेड्यूलिंग होती है, you tend to कोई ना कोई टीम होती है जिसको एक लंबा ब्रेक मिल जाता है. तो yeah, it's good for the Sunrisers Hyderabad because the way they have been batting, specifically, it's kind of a lot of workload. 10-12 ओवर ही खेलते हैं हम, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा वर्कलोड ले लेते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं ब्रेक अच्छा है. एंड द वे दे प्लेड इन लास्ट गेम अगेंस्ट LSG, Abhishek Sharma, Travis Head, they have been on song and they have been doing this in whole of the tournament, plus the likes of Henry Klassen, Aiden Markram, Nitish Kumar Reddy. Also, you have someone like Abdul Samad there in there. So again, you kind of can expect another, the Sunrisers Hyderabad going all guns blazing in this encounter as well.
Okay, everyone is expecting that, I guess, but now the way they are playing and the way Rajasthan has been playing in the last few games, SRH has a very good chance to finish in the top two, get that extra chance to be in the IPL finals. So, do you think they can grab this chance?
No, it's surely a golden opportunity for them to get into the top two because, as we always discuss, ending your league stages in the top two always helps because you have another chance to make it to the finals. After the qualifier one, so it's a plus for whatever team that qualifies in the top two. And yes, it's a great opportunity. Rajasthan Royals have been playing very bad cricket in the past 4-5 games, and I just hope they make a good comeback because this is probably the most balanced team they can have. Courtesy because of their bad run. Sunrisers have a great chance of making it to the top two, and I have been saying this. I am really backing Sunrisers to lift the cup. So yeah, I just feel my intuition is coming true.
Okay, quite difficult to say at this stage. However, moving on from Sunrisers Hyderabad, a word on Gujarat Titans. They are obviously knocked out of the tournament, but how important is this game going to be for the team?
Do they want to talk themselves about anything? For
Shubman Gill,
I feel bad for Shubman in the first place. Jokes apart, he has a lot. That's my personal opinion. As a skipper, he had a lot of burden on his shoulders, and he is someone who is, for now, is more suited as a batter in any setup. Okay,
right.
He's someone who can provide you a lot of good cushion in that batting order, जो आपको और बैट्समैन को सपोर्ट कर सकता है. एंड शुड एक वो जो कैप्टनसी का एक बर्डन शायद वो टोल ले गया है उनसे, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वो इम्पैक्ट किया है गुजरात टाइटंस की परफॉर्मेंस पे भी. बीइंग द विनर्स इन द इनॉग्रल अपीयरेंस, उसके बाद रनर्स अप ऑलमोस्ट विनिंग इट. वो तो जाडेजा ने 2 बाउंड्री लगा दी, इसलिए वो जीत गए, इसलिए वो रनर्स अप एंड किए. वरना वो शायद वो भी रिटेन कर जाते, डिफेंड कर जाते अपने टाइटल को. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज्यादा बड़े लेगेसी का प्रेशर था शुभमन पे, एंड दैट हैज सर्टेनली टेकन द टोल ऑन हिम. एंड आई जस्ट होप ही मेक्स अ गुड कमबैक एज अ स्किपर इन द नेक्स्ट सीजन. बट फॉर नाउ जस्ट गो आउट देयर एंड एंजॉय योर गेम. जो भी जितना भी आईपीएल बचा है उसे एंजॉय करिए, चाहिए.
So then they have been good in patches, but बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं खेल पाए for the tournament. But looking back at the tournament, since you mentioned about the burden of captains and Gill, do you think someone like Ken Williamson leading and Gill grooming under him for one season would have been helpful for the team overall?
I guess that could have been an option, but again, the kind of overseas contenders they have in their squad is also a problem for someone like for a team like a Gujarat Titans, because if you give the captaincy to Kane Williamson, you fix up a slot of spot, you block the overseas spot. Now you have a Rashid Khan, you have Noor, you have David Miller to fill in there. Then कहीं ना कहीं आपको उनके साथ you can't have a Rashid out, you can't have a David Miller out, right? तो ठीक है, नूर के साथ शायद आप इधर थोड़ा सा इन आउट बेंचिंग उनको कर सकते हो, इन आउट कर सकते हो, बट वो भी कंसर्न रहा होगा गुजरात टाइटंस का. एंड that's why I feel Shubman was given the captaincy firstly. Second, I feel the franchise for whatever franchise he plays, वो उन्हें उस तरीके से देखते हैं, यू नो, फ्यूचर लीडर, फ्यूचर स्किपर. बट क्या आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू सेइंग कि किसी सीनियर एक्सपीरियंस कैप्टन के अंडर अगर शायद वो ग्रूम होते एज अ कैप्टन तो शायद वो ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होता. बट अगेन यू नो, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस से भी सीखते हैं. द मिस्टेक्स ही माइट हैव यू नो मेड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एडिशन वो आगे जाके रेक्टिफाई करेंगे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ही वाज अ बैड स्किपर. I'm saying the legacy burden might have taken
Right.
a toll on that, because if you remember a couple of games, he was very animated.
Right.
If I'm not mistaken, it was RCB game or Sunrisers game. He was very animated. You know, he was talking to the bowlers. So वो learning दिखाई दे रही है. Slow process होता है यार. When you get the captaincy of that bigger franchise, Gujarat Titans is already a very big franchise.
Right.
Winner, runners up. You know, things like they had the services of someone like Hardik Pandya as a skipper, Mohammad Shami, the big names, you know, Sridhaman Saha, you know, a veteran wicket keeper. उसके अलावा Vijay Shankar, someone who is very well known in the domestic circuit as an all-rounder. He's a great all-rounder.
Right.
India के लिए भी he has done decently enough.
Played for a long period of
Yeah,
time.
he stayed there. But domestic circuit में बहुत उनको माना जाता है. उसके बाद शुभमन गिल himself, you know, who is crowned as a prince already. डेविड मिलर, यू नो, आप उनकी बॉलिंग देखिए, राशिद खान, नूर अहमद. सो ये बहुत बड़े प्रोमिनेंट नाम है. तो एक बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंचाइज वो ऑलरेडी बन चुका है. तो कहीं ना कहीं उसका शायद वो उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना थोड़ा शायद that was something that created a bit of a pressure, and I just hope he rectifies the mistakes as a skipper. I'm once again saying this as a captain of the GT side. So that they can get some better results in the next edition. No complaints with the kind of batting he's been doing recently.
Right.
I just feel bad that he is in the reserves and not in the squad. I really feel bad for him.
Let's hope he gets some chance to play at the T20 World Cup somehow. And there
We
are
want to किसको बाहर बिठाना है भाई?
किसी को बाहर नहीं बिठाना है, बट
मतलब जायसवाल या
कुछ
रोहित
ऐसा हो
शर्मा?
जाए कि वो खेल जाए. And that is what I'm
I
saying.
mean, someone will have to sit out. तभी वो हो सकता है, because injuries are the only process जो आप
Ideally,
प्लेयर को
yes.
शायद अंदर ला सकते हैं,
ला
किसी
सकते
और
हैं.
प्लेयर को अंदर ला सकते हैं. The problem is Shubman plays in the top order.
In the
And
top order.
at this point of time, you know, I love Shubman Gill's batting. I have been a very big fan of him. But I would want a Rohit Sharma, a very fit Rohit Sharma. I want a very fit Yashasvi Jaiswal in there, because you know, we need the World Cup more than any individual. It's about the World Cup. It's about winning the World Cup. And you know, आप अगर शुभमन से भी बात करेंगे तो शायद वो यही बोलेंगे कि no, it's okay. Even if he is there in the reserves, that doesn't matter. As far as the team is in a good shape, is a balanced
Right.
shape, and if they can win the World Cup.
Right. Not really. So the match will start at 7:30. It is being played at Hyderabad Utpal Stadium. Stay tuned to Cricket Next. We'll bring you all other updates. क्योंकि cricket मतलब
Cricket next.